Hello everybody and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In that purple box there's some math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. You can use the link in the description to try this out on your own, and when you think you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. Alright, let's see here. I'm going to start with a 0. Okay, 0 gives us -3. How about a 1? Oh, we're already off the graph at 17. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to put in a 2. And what I want to figure out is this a curve or not? Definitely a curve. So from 0 to 1, we went up by 20. But from 1 to 2, we went up by whatever that is, 120. Something crazy. 140. Sorry. All right, let's try some negative values. And that went down 20, so that's already off the graph as well. And if we go to -2, I think we'll get down by 140 more. Yeah, looks like it's following the same pattern. So I've got something that's down, a curve that's down on the left, up on the right. Any ideas what it could be? I've got a hunch. I think this is a cubic. And so what I want to do is show how it flattens out towards the middle of this function. I'm thinking the middle point here is the one we've got on our graph. So let's put in a 1/2. That's also on the graph, and a -1/2. Now that might not look very flat. It looks just like 3 linear points, but it's flatter than the other curves going up, by 140 or 20. So the other parts of the curve as it goes further out. Let's try even closer. Let's do 1/4 and -1/4. Yeah, I think that's making it a little easier to see the shape of the cubics. You've got this arm down here that's going down really steeply, and then it flattens out and then shoots up really steeply here as well. So I think we've got what we need to write the function. What we've got here is a big multiplier, and then the vertex is here on the y-axis, so we don't have to put anything inside parentheses to shift it left or right, but we do have to move it down 3. So we're going to have f of x equals some big multiplier times x cubed, and then -3 to move it down that 3. And what is that big multiplier? Well, it's going to be a positive number because this is down on the left, up on the right. That's the shape for a cubic when it's the direction of its end behavior, when it's got a positive coefficient out here. And what we want to do is look one away, and we notice that it went up 20 and down 20. So our multiplier is going to be 20. Now we could test a couple of points in there. Let's just put in 1. Let's put in let's put in 1. So 1 cubed times 20 minus 3. Well, 1 cubed is still 1 times 20, and 20 minus 3 is going to be 17, and that's what we get. You could test some others, but I'm pretty confident about this, so I'm going to go ahead and reveal it. And there it is, 20x cubed minus 3. We can graph that as well. And there is that typical cubic shape, just really stretched out because of that big multiplier. Well, how did that go for you? Did you get cubic? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.